These videos are brought to you by His Vessel Academy. Check us out at hisvesselacademy.com.
One of the hardest times for students is to realize that they can put things together to create an answer. So when I'm asked for a circle that's inscribed a triangle, and it's asking me for the perimeter, and say it gives me NP, which in this case is 14, and QR, which is 21, and MS, which is 25, you can look back at our previous video when we talked about how our this one here, where we said we had two lines create that are tangent at one point, they're going to be equal. So these are two congruent lines. With that in mind, we can clearly see that NP and NM create two tangent lines that are congruent. So these two here would be congruent, so this is 14. With that logic, we have MS is 25, so that means SR is also 25. And if RQ is 21, then PQ is also 21 because it's tangent to the circle. So now all you're doing is adding up all of your sides to get the answer, which would just be 14 times 2 plus 21 times 2 plus 2 times 25, which gives me basically 120.
At His Vessel Academy, we offer live interactive classes as well as some self-paced courses. Visit hisvesselacademy.com for more information and register today.